Okay, let's just jump right in. Today we're doing a deep dive into the machine that, well, keeps the entire global economy humming.
Logistics and supply chain management,
Exactly, SCM. Our sources describe it as the backbone of modern commerce.
which is a perfect way to put it.
Yeah.
And our mission today is really targeted.
Yeah.
We're going to analyze the higher certificate in logistics and supply chain management practice
To see how it
to
works.
see exactly how it transforms someone into a competent professional, someone ready to coordinate these huge complex functions for, strategic and financial gain.
Got it.
And just so you know up front, this is registered on the NQF at level 5. It's a 1-year, 2-semester qualification.
So let's unpack that a bit. The source material says the purpose is managing and coordinating all the functions,
Mm.
from acquisitions and receiving through operations right up to the final delivery.
The whole chain, yes.
But in the real world, aren't those functions, they're often stuck in their own silos, right? How does this course teach that holistic coordination?
That's the key question. It does it by focusing really intensely on the strategic decision points that knit the whole process together.
Okay, like what?
Well, we're talking about foundational skills for managing tasks and people, things like procurement, and the really big one, make or buy decisions.
Ah, deciding whether to build it yourself or outsource it.
Exactly, a massive capital decision. Plus, things like negotiation and really stringent stock and inventory management.
What really stood out to me was the focus on the bottom line. I was surprised they specifically highlight stores accounting. That feels less like basic logistics and more like a high-level financial strategy.
Because it is. The modern SEM professional has to be a financial watchdog.
I see.
The ultimate goal is to reduce and maybe even eliminate total operational costs. So the insights focus on applying knowledge of stores accounting, that's managing the asset value of your inventory, and pairing it with value analysis engineering.
Which is the art of
What?
aggressively cutting costs.
Aggressively, but smartly. Finding cheaper substitutes or more efficient processes, but without ever compromising the quality of the product. That's the ultimate profit booster.
That totally reframes the job description. So, connecting this to the modern workplace, the source notes the program prepares you to manage all the different flows,
Mm-hmm. The products, the information, and the money.
all circulating within the chain between suppliers and customers inside a digital office.
Precisely. Think of the graduate as a kind of financial conductor.
A conductor.
Yeah, they aren't just reading the notes, they're coordinating 3 distinct orchestras: the physical flow, the info flow, and the money flow, and they all have to play in perfect time.
That's a great analogy.
It's all about applying policy to forecast demand correctly so you get the right quantity of the right quality product to the right place at exactly the right time.
And a skill set like that it's universally in demand.
Across all economic sectors, absolutely.
The source material lists a few career paths, things like procurement officer, supply chain consultant,
Inventory and materials controller, international logistics officer,
distribution center supervisor too.
and, a lot of those roles can be international,
Right.
which makes the institution's accreditation really critical here. Boston City campus is registered in South Africa, but it also holds international accreditation from the British Accreditation Council.
So that opens more doors.
It definitely broadens the scope. And for the listener, you should know the whole learning format is designed for flexibility. It's all online.
So you control your own time, place, and pace.
Exactly. Textbooks are included, and they even mention a subsidy of 1/3 off the fees.
Okay, so if we pull this all together, what's the big takeaway here? It feels like true SCM competency isn't just about efficiency.
No, not at all.
It's about synthesizing that high-level strategic decision-making, like those big make-or-buy questions, with really granular, on-the-ground financial control.
It's strategic management, just through another means. Which actually raises an important final question, something for you to think about. We see supply chains getting more global every single day, right?
Of course.
So given that dual accreditation we talked about, local in South Africa and international with the British Council, how does that change the game? What new markets might that kind of recognition actually open up for you?